Here's one company that's helping to improve the quality of life for the elderly.
Elder care is a huge issue. There's no way that you can continue to function at the level that you have your entire life without some outside help.
Hi, my name is Mark Winter and I'm president of Hired Hands Homecare. We are a family-owned and operated company that started 15 years ago, providing a wide variety of home care services for seniors. As our population is obviously aging, the need for these services is increasing more. And so 15 years ago, we decided to start a company that could focus on services in a well-rounded aspect to help people remain safe and comfortable in their own homes.
Well, we were looking for a good home care system to help my mom. She's getting to a point where it would be better off having somebody help with her during the daytime and the nighttime in her home. First, we started out with day care, so people came in 2 days a week. And Hired Hands we picked because we had heard that they were very family-friendly, very warm and loving with the people, and that was exactly what we wanted for our mom. We wanted to make sure that she was in the best of care.
At first, I didn't know how I was going to feel. And then I was sent the most wonderful woman I've ever met. She is not my hired hand. She is the best friend I've ever found. I really adore her. I couldn't ask for better help. She does everything. I don't have to tell her a thing to do. She just goes right in and does whatever she knows has to be done. And I love her. And I can't do without her. Never want to do without her. My caregiver's name is Sandy.
Having been a nurse for so many years, I absolutely loved it, but I would go home at night and I had taken care of so many patients that I would clock out, spend an hour talking to them or meeting some need that they had, because with that many people, I just couldn't do it all and I'd go home and cry. But with Hired Hands, working with them and working with one client as I do, when I go to bed at night, I know that I've done everything that I can, taking care of one person, and I certainly don't go to sleep crying. I go to sleep with a feeling of accomplishment, and it's great. I'm Sandy Carter, and I'm a caregiver for Hired Hands.
I'm Erin Winter. I'm with Hired Hands Homecare, and I'm a director. The way a family typically gets started with us is by an initial phone call. They'll call us and we will talk to them about our services. We want to find out a lot of information in that phone call about what prompted them to call us. Typically we follow that up with a complimentary initial in-home assessment, which is a very important part of the process. Within that assessment, we will not only go over their medical conditions, but also really get to know them as a person and their preferences.
I'm Susan Arata, and I'm a client of Hired Hands.
Hi, my name is Dolores, and I work for Hired Hands, and I'm a caregiver.
Having Dolores with me, it just makes me feel good. I don't get lonely anymore. When I'm waiting for her, and there she is at the door, all smiles, and I just love her. And she's just good for me. I don't get lonesome.
Hi, I'm Deborah Newhouse, and I'm Home Care Manager with Hired Hands Home Care. It is a great privilege to serve the clients and their families that we do. What we try to do is make sure that they know that we're available to communicate with them as the need arises, to make home visits, to oversee their general care, to assess changing needs and services, and to be in touch with other social service providers, their physicians, certainly interact with the caregivers so that we are constantly upgrading the quality of service that their loved ones are receiving.
My name is Lynn Winter, and I am the CEO and founder of Hired Hands Home Care. I founded the company in 1994 primarily to help seniors stay independent and happy in their own homes. And we had two core philosophies. And one was that we hire the very best employees and we create an aura of job satisfaction for them so that they loved what they did and felt valued and trusted and respected. And the other focus, of course, was on our clients. And each and every one of them is an individual that's near and dear to our heart. So that was the reason we founded it. It's worked. We're 15 years old now, and We love what we do.